Okay. Show it please. Di po ba sa 6.1 sinasabi dyan? Cash advances shall be used for, yung term ginamit ma'am is specific detail, specific legal purpose. Okay? At saka 5.2.2 nakasulat dyan, agencies shall report the specific detail of the corresponding expenditures. In 2 instances po, nakasulat sa joint circular yung term na specific. And you will stand by your answer.
Argumentative, Your Honor.
Wait. I'm just confirming. Despite these 2 provisions, you are of the opinion, Madam, na walang requirement na dapat specific?
Argumentative, Your
Programa?
Honor.
Objection is overruled. Witness will answer, please.
Your Honor, sa mga dokumento po nga i-attach dito sa confidential funds liquidation, daghan po ang document, Your Honor, na i-submit nimo nga na ay documents dito nga kailangan i-itemize nimo, Your Honor.
In the report.
Your Honor,
In the report.
isa sa mga dokumento nga i-attach nimo dito, liquidate nimo sa confidential funds, Your Honor.
Okay.
Let me state that for the record. Correct me if I'm wrong, Ma'am Gina. Yung binabanggit po niyong pag-comply, walang nakalagay specifically sa joint circular na dapat specific yon dun sa what's that, Council? Physical and financial plan
po.
Pero sa dokumentong sinasubmit, nandun na yung mga detalye, Ma'am Gina.
Inana, Your Honor.
Yes?
Yan po.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. But there is only, this is another question now. There is only a blanket program, general program, good governance program in the plan, and the plan did not mention any surveillance operations by specific number, location, or cost. Do you want me to repeat the question, or you can answer
Objection,
now?
Your Honor. Asked and answered and original document rule, Your
Your
Honor.
Honor,
Not yet answered, Council. And again, same ruling as your point on the original
Opo.
document rule.
Ma'am, yung tanong is, wala pong specific mention ng specific number, location, or cost ng mga sinasabi niyong surveillance operations. Wala doon sa plano, di po ba?
Your Honor, unsa na pwede mangutana, Your Honor, unsa
Opo.
na nga dokumento, Your Honor?
Katong plano po, yung plano po, physical and financial plan. Nakasulat dyan, good governance program. Anyways, Your Honor, please.
At this juncture, I will agree with Council for respondent.
Oh.
Asked and answered,
Yes.
Council. That's her answer.
Thank you so much. Now, aside from walang surveillance operations by number, location, or costs, wala ding specific targets nakasulat sa plano for each of the program activities. Tama po ba? Walang specific targets this time.
Tanaan
Opo.
sana ko, Your Honor, ha.
By all means po.
For 2022, Your Honor.
2022, yes ma'am.
Sa amo ang physical financial plan, Your Honor,
Oo.
naikulong dito nga physical target, Your Honor.
Opo. Yes. Ma'am, okay, mayroon. Ma'am, yung tanong is, nakasulat lang dyan is, ma'am, number, period, of identified areas of surveillance conducted and monitored. And then yung pangalawa, letter B, yung yung simbolo ng percentage, no? Percentage of activities implemented without specifying, una po, this is the first question, ano yung actual number? Wala po. Di po ba? Yes po.
Wala pa, Your Honor. Kay wala pa
plano.
man na itabo. Plano pa man ni Your Honor.
Aha. Okay. So wala pa. Kasi plano pa lang, and then you ask for 125 million pesos. Kahit wala pang activities, plano pa lang. Tama po ba?
Misleading,
Meron
Your
na po.
Honor.
It's not misleading.
Your Honor, the question...
That's a follow-up question, Your Honor.
Objection is sustained. Ask based on the document, counsel.
Okay, now. The next issue.
You're referring to the physical target only, not
Yes,
the
ma'am.
actual plans.
Yes, sir. Now, nakalagay ba dyan yung actual number? Yes or no? May numero ba?
Wala pa, Your Honor.
Okay. May naka-indicate ba na percentage, actual percentage, under the category percentage of activities implemented? Wala po ba? Meron ba? Wala.
Wala pa, Your Honor. Pero gihimo na, Your Honor, kay naanay approval. Kung asa mi nakabalo kung pila ang kwarta, Your Honor, kay naanay saro.
Now, okay. Ma'am,
Kindly translate that for the record.
who can translate that, please? Ano sabi niya? There is, it's indicated because there's already a SARO. If the defense will stipulate on that
Parang hindi
interpretation,
yata ganun kay Cleon, counsel.
you may have your own. Oh.
Your Honor.
The translation we're getting is it's not the number and percentage is not there. Yung percentage po at yung bilang wala po doon dahil kaka-release pa lang ng SARO. Tama po ba, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
That was the answer.
As best as we could, counsel. Please proceed.
Now, the 2022 Physical and Financial Plan allocated, ma'am, nag-allocate po ng 125 billion pesos kahit walang breakdown ng amount for each specific activity. Tama po ba?
As you answered, Your Honor.
Yeah, but there's another angle as to the amount relative to the activity, as to the budget that the Office of the Vice President is asking.
It's the
Go,
same
please.
point, Your Honor.
Same point, counsel.
Okay,
Move on. We
move
get
on.
what you have established.
Thank you so much. Now, therefore, Madam Witness, yung Office of the Vice President can just include, pwedeng i-include, isama ng Office of the Vice President sa liquidation reports ng kahit anong activity so long as ililabel siya na parte ng broad, good governance program. Do you want me to repeat the question or you can answer now?
Taas kayo mong
I
question,
will.
Your Honor. Pwede
I will.
ang tawag ani, i-clarify, Your
Yes.
Honor.
Your Honor, if the court may allow, I will repeat the question.
Please,
Therefore,
counsel.
Madam, kasi nga walang breakdown, in draft, sa paggawa nyo ng liquidation reports, pwede yung isama doon sa liquidation report ng kahit anong aktibidad so long as sasabihin nyo parte yan ng good governance program.
Objection,
Tama po
Your
ba?
Honor.
What's the basis?
What's the objection, counsel?
Misleading and speculative, Your Honor.
How can it
It's
be
not, counsel.
misleading?
In fact, I think that's one of the questions some of the senator judges will ask. Ma'am, naintindihan niyo po yung tanong?
I can ask that in
Ma'am Gina?
Bisaya.
Ma'am Gina, naintindihan niyo po yung tanong?
Parang duha man ka question iyang buot pasabot attorney.
ma'am,
Ay,
Ang
Your
nilagay niyo
Honor.
lang po doon, good governance, what's that, counsel? Programs?
Good governance program po.
Good governance program. Ang tanong po niya, so ano man yung sabihin nila, basta sabihin good governance program, pasok na po yun doon.
Sa report po, sa report.
Sa report lang po.
Sa report na liquidation po.
Apo.
Your Honor, kung paghimo na ko og liquidation report, nagbase po ako sa fund utilization report nga gihatag sa ako sa amo ang security officer, Your Honor. Na makita dito kung asa nagasto ang kwarta unsa nga mga expenses og pila, Your Honor.
So, ang pinagbabasihan niyo po yung liquidation report ng security officer na si Colonel Lachica. Tama po?
Yes, Your Honor.
Out of curiosity, may tinanggihan ba kayong liquidation report na sinubmit ni Colonel Lachica o lahat po ng binigay niya sa iyo ay tinanggap mo? Na parte ng good governance program.
Unsa, Your Honor?
Meron po ba kayong tinanggihan na liquidation na sinubmit si Colonel Lachica sa 125 million sa last quarter ng 2022? O lahat po ng sinumitin niya na liquidation, tinanggap nyo at sa pananaw nyo ay kasama ng good governance program?
Ang lahat ng mga reports na gihatag niya sa ako, Your Honor, akong gidawat, Your Honor, kay siya man ang nakabalo unsaon pag-implementar sa mga confidential activities, kay siya ang eksperto, Your Honor, dito sa ground,
So,
Your Honor.
lahat po ng
Kaya
binigay
akong
niya sa
gitawat,
inyo,
gitawat.
tinanggap nyo at kinonsidera ninyo na parte ng good governance program dahil siya naman yung nakakaalam at intindi, dahil siya naman yung nasa ground. Tama po?
Inana, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
So, let me continue on that point, Council, with your permission and indulgence. So, yung tree planting, good governance program po yan.
Unsa, Your Honor?
Yung tree planting, binanggit niyo po kanina, tree planting, good governance program po yan. Kasama po yun doon sa pag-liquidate?
Ang ibig sabihin, Your Honor, usa pa gihimo ang tree planting, Your Honor, na ay gihimo
Ang sinatanong ko po, ma'am, yung
security
activity,
officer, Your Honor.
yung activity na tree planting, parte po yun ng good governance sa pagkakaunawa ninyo na program. Yes or no, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor, pero usa na gihimo, Your Honor, ang security officer, Your Honor, na ay gihimong surveillance, monitoring, Your Honor.
Nabasa ko po yun. Pati yung libreng sakay, part ng good governance. May
Yes.
surveillance din po doon. Nakita ko po sa liquidation report.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Okay, Council, proceed.
Thank you so much. Yun yung liquidation report.
Opo.
Now, okay ba, ma? Now, the point is, punta naman tayo sa accomplishment report. Kasi nga, iba yun, di ba? Now, same line of question, but this time, different document. You can just include. Pwede niyong isulat sa accomplishment report. Kahit ano na lang activity, kahit anong activity in the accomplishment report this time, not liquidation reports. So long as i-label nyo lang under yan ng good governance program. You want me to repeat the question, ma'am, or you can answer now?
Durag duhaman ka buka ang question nato, Your Honor.
Accomplishment report this time. Yung kanina po, nag-guess nyo na, liquidation report. Ngayon yung tanong is, sa accomplishment report naman, pareho lang. Kahit anong activity, isasama sa accomplishment report, so long as isusulat under good governance program. Tama
Council,
po ba?
can you confront the witness with the accomplishment report? Assistant
Okay,
Counsel, can you show her the accomplishment report? Para maunawaan ng
Opo, opo.
testigo na ibang dokumento na ang pinag-uusapan natin. Kanina yung physical and financial plan, ngayon naman yung accomplishment report. Pakitingnan po at pag-aralan yung dokumento, Ma'am Gina. Para alam niyo po na yan ang tinutukoy ni Attorney Ligutan sa mga katanungan po niya sa inyo.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Kaduhami naghimo og accomplishment report, Your Honor, for 2022.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
kung dalawang beses po kayo gumawa ng accomplishment report, Ma'am Gina?
Opo, Your Honor.
Alin po yan? Yung nauna o yung sumunod?
Ang kaning gihatag sa ako, Your Honor, mao ni ang una nga gihimo, Your Honor.
Yung unang accomplishment report.
Mm.
Meron ba kayong kopya ng pangalawang accomplishment report, Attorney Ligutan?
Okay. Anyways, we can leave with one report.
Okay.
For this point, Your Honor, please.
Okay, for
I
this
think I'll
point.
ask the direct question na lang.
Sige, Your Honor.
Madam Witness, kinukumpirma mo na may mga activities sa report nyo, sa liquidation, sa accomplishment report na nabasa nyo, na hindi makikita, mababasa sa physical and financial plan. Tama po ba?
Your Honor, paghimo na mo.
Ma'am, this time po, I hope you don't mind po. Yung question is simple, no? So, pwede kang tanungin ng abogado ng kabila, pero pakisagot lang po muna.
The witness is
Yes or no?
answering, Your Honor.
Yo-
Let the witness answer.
Allow the witness to answer,
Okay.
counsel.
Yes. May
Yes,
mga activities, programa, kalihukan in Bisaya reflected in the reports, accomplishment reports, na hindi naman mababasa, makikita, nailista sa physical and financial plan. Tama po ba?
Libog. Nalito ako, Your Honor.
Nandito ka. Anyways, Your Honor,
Ma'am, sa accomplishment report, yes, Senator Judge Zubiri, would you like to offer your services?
Yes, actually, not the services to interpret, but it's possible that Attorney Ligutan could ask the question in Bisaya para maintindihan, kasi pareho kami mga Bisaya, para maintindihan ni Ma'am Acosta. And then, anyway, it can be objected to by the defense because I know there are 3 or 4 of you, Bisaya, taga Cebu, tulo mo diya, nakasabot. So, you can always object if the translation of Attorney Ligutan is wrong, is different. It's simple Bisaya naman. Pakasabot man ta, pero ang mga tinagalog din di kasabot. But it's very simple.
yes,
So maybe that way we don't have to keep stopping. Attorney Ligutan can ask the question first in Tagalog and then translate to simple Bisaya. Makatubag ni si Ma'am, she can answer. And then Attorney Ligutan can offer the answer also in Tagalog. If it is not like, of course, approved by the defense can give a clarification of what the answer of the lady witness has.
The point of the
Thank you very
Senator
much.
Judge is well taken. Let's try to do that,
Okay, now.
counsels, with your permission. Yes, Attorney Bakel?
Yes, Your Honor. May we respectfully suggest for a court-appointed interpreter, considering that hindi po kasi ako Bisaya. So, actually, nahihirapan po ako to understand the witness, understand Attorney Ligutan, and understand my colleagues who are likewise.
If you may, if you will please, we already have an interpreter, actually 2 of them here,
Yes.
that will course it through the chair if there is a need to do so. Some of the words are understandable. Anyway, kindly proceed slowly, Attorney Ligutan.
I will. So,
But on this issue and this question, Ms. Acosta, ang tanong po sa inyo, may mga nilagay po kayong accomplishment report na wala dun sa physical and financial plan. Na sinabi nyo lamang o tinisip nyo lang, kasama yan sa good governance program.
Ang nasulat sa accomplishment report, Your Honor, is yung mga expenses na allowable po sa confidential funds.
Opo, pero wala nga po yan, hindi yan nilagay doon sa physical and financial plan. Nakalagay lang po sa accomplishment report.
Sa accomplishment report, Your Honor, kung actual.
Kaya nga, doon nga lang po nakasulat. Sa physical and financial plan, wala po doon.
Generic po ang sa
Generic.
physical financial
Okay.
plan, Your Honor.
Attorney Ligutan, continue.
Opo. That's a cue to the next question. And because the program indicated in the plan is broad and general, generic sabi nyo, so much discretion is given to the office of the Vice President on how to utilize confidential funds. Translate into Tagalog. Unfortunately, I'll be needing, ano pong ibig sabihin, what's Tagalog for discretion po? Kasi nga, broad, general, yung program nakasulat sa PFP. Okay? Maski ano na lang, kahit anong gustong gawin, magagawa. Wait, nakita. Ng Office of the Vice President sa paggamit ng confidential funds. You want to translate in Visaya po? Kay tungod, general, generic, ang programa nakasulat sa plano bisag unsa. So much discretion. Ma'am, I think you understand discretion, di po ba?
Authority?
Dako ang pagbuot sa Office of the Vice President kung unsaon nila paggamit sa confidential funds. Tama po ba?
Objection,
Dili,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor.
What's the objection, counsel?
Speculative and argumentative, Your Honor.
It's not argumentative, counsel. Neither is it speculative. Objection overruled. Ma'am Gina, dahil po kayo nagsabi generic yung good governance program, malaking laya ang nabigay sa inyo para magsulat ng kung anumang mga programa na papasok doon sa generic na good governance program.
Dili, Your Honor. Kaya
Hindi.
nagbase ako sa Joint Circular 2015.
So ang sagot ay hindi ganun kalaki ang kalayaang meron sila dahil binase niya yung kanyang accomplishment report sa JC 2015-1. Tama po, ma'am?
Oh,
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney
See?
Ligutan.
now, showing you again, Madam Witness, the 2022 Physical and Financial Plan. After you prepared the plan, nakasulat dyan, show the document please, it was noted, Attorney J, noted by a certain Rosalyn Sanchez. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mhm. Yes, Your Honor. The document, please. And thereafter, you presented the plan kay Inday Sara, Vice President Sara, for her approval. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Gipakita na ko sa iya.
In this case, did she provide any feedback on the stated generic, coming from your own mouth, good governance program?
Unsa, Your Honor?
Nihatag ba, I'm sure you know feedback, nihatag ba og feedback si Vice President Sara Duterte sa sinabi mong generic good governance program katong imong gipakita ang plano para sa iyahang approval?
Gibasa lang niya, Your Honor. Pag human og basa, perma siya.
Yan. Saan po pumirma si Sara Zimmerman Duterte? Sa parte ng plano. Saan dyan?
Sa approve.
Approved by. Showing on screen, approved by Sara Z. Duterte, Vice President, Agency Head, Department Secretary, LCE.
With the indulgence of Attorney Ligutan, what is the pleasure of Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo?